Hi guys, I'm so glad to see you guys, and today I just have time to come and do some video. Today I'm gonna talking about how to recover from illnesses because today I have time and I phone friend around. A lot of friends have stroke, a lot of friends have broken leg, and a lot of friends have a health issue. Yep. And 2 years ago, if you remember, I couldn't walk. Okay? But because my friend helped me, and now I'm healthy, I'm a healthcare professional. Okay, and I help a lot of people. There are 2-3 things that I monitor when I work as a health profession. Okay. One thing, monitor urine. Yeah. How can you know that is you have a good health? What color of your urine should be? Anyone know? Your urine should be yellow, pale, clear, no clouded, no particle in it. Okay. If your urine become red because of blood, you need to talk to doctor. Okay, you have to talk to your GP. Number 2, your stool. Yeah, when you go to toilet, if you can't go to toilet happily, you need a lot of fiber. Okay, and I have a program that I'm gonna help myself to be healthier. All right, thinking about it, I couldn't walk until now. I can walk and I can work full time. All right, I can work full time, and now I coach people how to be healthier, and I gonna lose some more weight. Okay, I have a program, one program. Okay, and it will help by user. We cooperate with the doctor. Okay, and I will introduce that doctor to you later. All right, if you guys want to lose some weight and be healthier, happier, wealthier, okay, get paid to be healthier. Have you ever heard that? All right, if you never heard that, come and join my group. Comment yes, and I will contact you back. Okay, or phone me on 07946493718. Okay, because I'm myself a health profession and the company need more driver. Okay, so we need a health profession who can drive. All right, if you guys live in Bedfordshire, contact me. I have a job for you. And after you monitor urine, your stool in the morning, okay, and how you pass your stool and urine. If you pass your stool badly, you have to it means no. It means your stool. Yeah, whatever you eat, you need more water, and you need more fiber. Fiber, you can get it from fruit and vegetables. Okay, I love my pineapple smoothie. Okay, and some people have all kind of smoothie. Okay, my blend is pineapple. I love pineapple or mangoes. Okay, it depends on what you like. Okay, guys, and then you can monitor how you pass urine, because some people who can't pass urine without pain, that means something not right. Okay, it can be urine infection, and it can be underlying thing. And number 5, if you can't lift your arm without pain, something wrong. If you can't talk properly, something wrong. Okay, if you can't smile, yeah, balancing smile. If your smile is droopy one side, it means you might have little stroke. Okay, if you not contact the doctor, if you have a blood clot, you might die. Okay, so If you guys want a job, I have a job, 3 jobs, okay? One is a healthcare profession in Bedfordshire. If you are a driver, contact me. Number 2, if you want to get paid and smell great, okay? Contact me. If you want to do online teaching, okay, and learn how to use Twitter, contact me, okay? And I have a program, yep, that can increase your business, yep. For me, I already successful, yep, and my business is worth thousands of pounds, okay, 10,000, 60,000, almost a million. All right. So if you are interested, contact me. Bye bye.